Alright, so today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am going to be making a strawberry mint julep. So, it was supposed to be a mojito, but I ran out of rum, so I used whiskey instead. Alright, if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But I will tell you, it makes a delicious drink, y'all. Alright, so we got strawberries and mint and lime. These strawberries and mint are from my garden. Alright, so I have my limes cut up. And so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put my limes in here. So I think one will do. And then I want to pull my mint off the stem. Okay, take any big stems off. Okay, just put it in there. I got a lot of, this is actually spearmint, because they didn't have any just mint at the nurseries this year. It was so weird. But my mint did come back, if you saw my one video. Okay, so alright, I think I got enough mint. And I think I will go ahead and put another lime. I'm also going to take some of my fresh strawberries and let's see which one. Okay. Alright, I'm going to cut these two up. That one's going to be for garnish. So let me cut this up and I'll be right back. Alright. So I got my strawberries cut up. I'm going to put it there. And you may have seen, like right here, these are frozen strawberries. I'm going to use this ice cubes. So I'm going to leave those whole. Alright. So now I'm going to take this wooden spoon. Usually people use what's called a muddler and smush things together. Release juices and such. Alright. So I think I'm going to go ahead and remove the lime peels. Make sure it gets squeezed out too. I want all that good lime juice in there. Alright. Alright. Do a few more mushes to make sure that the mint has released its oils. Alright, so now we're going to add some simple syrup, just a little bit. We don't want it too sweet. Alright, so now you can either add lime or you can add regular soda. So I think I'm going to add regular because I put a lot of lime juice in there. Alright, so here's the club soda. Soda water. Want to be careful, make sure it's not going to go every which way. Alright. Just going to put a little bit for now. And then what that was, I just wanted to make sure I got a lot of the simple syrup out because I didn't have much to begin with. Alright. So we want a couple ounces of, I'm going to put whiskey. Whiskey makes a mule, and rum makes it a mojito. But I don't have rum today. Alright, so now that we have that in there, we're going to pour more soda in there until it's at the top. Not the tippity top, because we don't want it going every which way. Alright. Also, we still have the strawberries to put in. So these are like our ice cubes. Alright. So then we have this. I'm going to cut that so it'll get on the side. Be right back. Alright. So now I have the strawberry here. Now I'm just going to carefully cut it down the middle like that. So it'll fit over the side of the glass. Here we go. We got some mint for the garnish. You can just put that right here. The strawberry to show. Got a little more mint here. We just cluster the mint together because we want the strawberry to be a star too. There we go. So let me get this cleaned up and I'll finish with the taste test. My bad. I forgot one more garnish. Ooh, that's the lime, so I cut it right here. We're just going to put the lime right here. Alright, how's that look? Alright, there we go. This is my strawberry mint julep. I know I'm a little late. It should have been at the beginning of May for the Derby, but hey, you got it now. And you can enjoy it all summer. Alright, so let me do a taste test. It's so good, y'all. It's good and it's refreshing, y'all. I love the strawberries in that. And then once it's done, you can eat the strawberries that are frozen. Yummy! Alright, well, thank you for tuning in to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, and I'll see you next time.